If Lightroom is giving you errors on Android, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you the fastest fixes step by step so you can get the app working again without wasting time. These are the most effective general solutions for most Lightroom problems, and you can follow along even if you're not super technical. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick Android fix videos. First, start with the simplest fix. Close Lightroom completely and restart your phone. A quick restart often clears temporary glitches that cause apps to freeze, crash, or stop loading properly. After your phone turns back on, open Lightroom again and check if the error is gone. If the problem is still there, the next thing to check is your internet connection. Lightroom needs a stable connection for syncing, signing in, and loading cloud content. Switch to a strong Wi-Fi network if possible, and if you're using mobile data, make sure the signal is stable. Also, if you have a VPN turned on, switch it off temporarily. VPNs can sometimes interfere with Adobe services and cause login or sync errors on Android. Now let's move to the next important fix: update the app. Open the Google Play Store, search for Adobe Lightroom, and see if an update is available. If there is, install it right away. Outdated app versions often create bugs, compatibility issues, and random error messages. Once the update is complete, open Lightroom again and test it. If you're still having issues, the next step is very important. Clear the app cache. Go to your phone settings, tap Apps, find Lightroom, then open Storage. From there, tap Clear Cache. Make sure you choose Clear Cache first and not Clear Data, because clearing data can remove local app settings and sign-in information. Cached files can become corrupted over time, and clearing them is one of the best ways to fix app errors on Android. If Lightroom still isn't working properly, check your free storage space. Android apps can act strangely when your phone is nearly full. Try to keep at least 2 to 3 gigabytes of free space available. You can delete old videos, unused apps, duplicate photos, or move files to cloud storage to create more room. Low storage can prevent Lightroom from saving files, loading previews, or finishing background tasks. If none of those steps fix the issue, the last option is to reinstall the app. First, uninstall Lightroom from your Android device, then go back to the Play Store and install a fresh copy. This can fix deeper app problems that cache clearing and updates can't solve. After reinstalling, sign in again and check whether the error is resolved. In most cases, one of these steps will fix Lightroom error problems on Android quickly. Start with a restart, check your internet, turn off VPN, update the app, clear cache, free up storage, and finally, reinstall if needed. If this video helped you fix Lightroom on Android, please like the video and subscribe for more simple troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.